Starlink, yeah. Hey YouTube guys and gals, I'm pausing on working on Olive, the 2-ton tent for a few minutes because something super exciting has happened. I've been waiting a long time for this. I haven't had a huge need for it before, but it has to do with internet. Now, I live in a fairly rural area, but the internet service here is pretty good. I have Shaw Cable, which is like a Canadian company. They do service my area. I've got pretty solid internet. I've always been super excited about, wait for it, Starlink. Yeah, I'm so excited about this. This is gonna be a game changer. I've been wanting to try out being a digital nomad for years now, but there hasn't really been a real economical way of doing it. Canadian cellular companies bend you over the barrel and have their way with you mercilessly when it comes to data. So as a digital IT worker, it's always been kind of expensive or tough for me to travel and still do my job. Starlink, on May the 5th, announced that you could take your dish roaming with you. You only have to pay an extra fee for it. It's not much, it's like 30 bucks Canadian. I think it's 25 bucks US. So the plan is at some point in the future to have this more permanently mounted on top of Olive. I do have plans to put a proper extended roof on her so we can stand up inside when we're traveling, make it a bit more comfortable, but that's not going to happen this year. Next year is the plan for that, and when I do that, I'm going to put the Starlink dish on the top of the van, make it a little bit more permanent install, and make it a more comfortable place to work. Anyways, on to the unboxing. So far, my only critique about this is the box that it was shipped in is kind of flimsy. It's been beat up a little bit. Hopefully the inside is still fine. Ooh, that's bright. All right. Little tripod. I guess that's the dish. It's pretty small, which is good. There's the Wi-Fi router. Doesn't get a lot simpler than that, does it? Okay, I'm gonna plug it in and see what she does. So I've just temporarily set it up here. That's the router sitting on top of my tarp covered tractor. It seems like the router should be or could be outside because there are literal rubber seals on the plugs. There's two plugs, a power and a signal plug. Power goes to power obviously, and the signal plug, I have it routed just lying in the grass here to the dish sitting right there. Right now it's offline. I think it's just trying to figure itself out. I'll give it a few minutes to see what happens. Test.net, Starlink showed up as my Wi-Fi. I was connected to it and go. That is a respectable download speed. I have some tall trees around my dish. I'm quite impressed with that. And if I get anywhere around 10 megabit upload, I will be happy. 0 upload, probably not what I'm looking for.
17 to 20 megabit upload, I'm happy with that. That's going to work out really well for traveling. So I guess the next thing I'm going to do with this is just use it for work. Try some video conferencing. See if I can work from home over Starlink and see how it performs. Thanks for watching.